Okay, so let's go in code mode. Whitelist dapp. Prerequisites. You can write code in JavaScript, have set up a Metamask wallet, your computer has Node.js installed. Okay. In whitelist dapp, we have Hardhat tutorial. MP init. Okay, so the face is similar. I think this, since I've done this before, bam, wait, if you're not on Mac, type this. Nice. Okay, so now where are we? ls, contracts, code, bam. So let's create a new file. We're already at half of sophomore. No, these are like big projects. It's not gonna be too well. Okay, let's copy paste and try to understand what's going on here, of course. Okay, so basically they gave us all the stuff. Note, whitelist. Let's deploy the contract to the Rinkeby network. Create a new file or replace. Okay, we have to do the same stuff here. So let's create a .env. This should be faster now. .env, then we create a .env example. .env local, okay. And in the git ignore, I put the .env. Again, alchemy. Okay, so now we need to add the Rinkeby private key. Okay, all right. Now, okay, it's the same stuff. Let's go back in code mode. npm install the dump. And now in the config of hardhat.conf, seems legit. All the controls open up a terminal. Okay, I'll compile this off screen because if you have an error, it shows the stuff. And done. 3 Solidity files successfully compiled. Now let's deploy it. Whitelist contract address. Contract address. Whole website. I hate front end. I don't want to type front end. Okay, stop complaining, Francesco. I'm literally complaining like a kid. Let's create a Next.js React app. It's going super well. We have a Next.js app. What should we do? npm run dev. So I'm running the local project. So we have this. Just let's see, I don't know, in this JS. So we have this. Okay, so now install Web3 model. I will install all the dependencies and then explain why. Just one command. In your app public folder, this image. Downloads CryptoDevs. In the public folder, I'm following here, it says that you should download this image, CryptoDevs SVG. Now go to the styles folder. Go to the styles folder and replace the context of Hove module CSS with this. Who am I to say no? Open your index.js file under the pages folder. Just on the index.js file under the page folder. And paste the following code. Explanation of the code can be found in the comments. Make sure you read about React and React hooks. React hooks tutorial if you're not familiar with. Okay. Okay, this is a pretty long file. GM. Okay, let's try to follow the tutorial. And let's see, because now it's failing to compile, but maybe it's possible. Create a folder under the my app folder. And name it constants. In the constants folder, create a file named index.js. Replace your whitelist contract address with the address of the whitelist contract that you deployed. This one. Whitelist contract. Export constant whitelist contract address equal. Okay, replace your ABI with whitelist contracts. To get the ABI for your contracts, go to your Hardhat tutorial artifacts contracts whitelist.sol folder artifacts contracts whitelist.sol. Get the array marked under the ABI key. If I do this, okay, nice. Oh, we are almost done. Now in your terminal, field to compile. The name head is defined multiple times. Oh, module CSS. Next head. Import head from. What is this? I imported the file 2 times. Imported the file 2 times. Let's see. Here it says 400 lines. Okay. Let's see. Oh! Welcome to Crypto Devs. It worked. Okay, so the padding is terrible. No, I imported the whole file 2 times. So I think we're done. Push all your code to GitHub. Whitelist dapp should work without... Okay, so let's publish this to GitHub. Git add git commit-m project whitelist dapp. Okay, let's see the GitHub repository. Okay, we have the first, the second, the third, and the fourth project. I also got 6 stars on this project. Amazing. We will now deploy your dapp so that everyone can see your website and you can share it with all your Learn Web3 DAO friends. Go to Vercel. Let's create a new project. Let's try this. There we go. Okay, so we were here. Edit framework Next.js. Next.js. Here, set framework. Click deploy. Deploy. So we are deploying the project on Vercel. Congratulations. Bam. There we go. Done. Ethereum ring KB. The whitelist contract address. There we go. Let's see. No. No whitelist address in contract. Okay, it was just the wrong contract. So we made it.